In present times, it has become possible for nearly anyone to earn an income through the internet. It's important to make something clear. The methods are not get-rich-quick schemes. If you're hoping to find a way to make a fortune overnight, you're in the wrong place. 1. Edit people's podcast. The availability of funds has motivated numerous individuals to start their own podcast, but the majority lack the proficiency to edit their audio. It is worth noting that inadequate sound quality is a frequent grievance of podcast listeners. Your role is crucial in this process. You will be responsible for finding a podcast host and edit audio content into a high-quality final product that will receive positive feedback from listeners. With you taking charge of quality control, the host no longer has to worry about negative comments regarding the sound quality. Ultimately, the listeners will be more satisfied, leading to happier hosts. As a result, the host will likely be more than willing to continue employing you to maintain their listeners' satisfaction. To become a virtual assistant. In today's globalized world, individuals are constantly seeking assistance. And as a virtual assistant, you can provide that help no matter where your clients are located. This means you have the flexibility to earn an income from home or anywhere else. Additionally, as a virtual assistant, you have the ability to assist with a wide range of tasks. 3. Create your membership site. A membership site encompasses a wide range of offerings, such as exclusive online courses, premium forum communities, or members-only stores, among others. Essentially, it refers to any platform where individuals are willing to subscribe and pay to access content that is not available to the general public. For sell used items online. Many individuals continue to sell their second-hand items solely within their local area. Unfortunately, these goods may be undervalued as they're only exposed to a limited number of potential buyers. However, by expanding your audience, you can command a higher price for your items. If I test other people's websites nowadays, there is a significant surge in website development, and people strive to ensure that their websites are user-friendly and easy to navigate. However, it can be a challenge because while building a website, it's common to assume that everything makes perfect sense. Unfortunately, there may be aspects that users find confusing, which weren't even considered during the website building process. You have the opportunity to become one of the others who value websites and provide feedback by simply exploring websites and offering your thoughts. People are willing to pay you for your services. 6. Create sales funnels. Automated sales funnels are commonly utilized by businesses to market and sell their offerings. However, some business owners remain unaware of the benefits sales funnels can bring to their enterprise. An option to explore is starting to business sell sales funnels. With a variety of low-cost tools available, you can easily build such funnels. 7. Sell your expertise by offering webinars. Webinars offer a convenient format and structure that can be quickly grasped, and making them an effective tool for selling products. Once you become adept at conducting compelling webinars, you can generate income from the comfort of your home. By presenting your product or service through webinars, you can directly showcase to your audience the added benefits they stand to gain from purchasing from you. They manage social media accounts for small businesses. Frequently, small businesses require assistance in managing their social media accounts. Instead of hiring someone for a full-time social media management role, they often prefer to pay for a few hours of support each week. 9. Virtual travel agent. As a travel agent, you have the opportunity to search for the most favorable vacation packages and lodging options for your clients. You can specialize in organizing family getaways, romantic honeymoons, or adventurous backpacking trips. To facilitate your services, many travel agents collaborate with a variety of companies to obtain discounts that can be passed on to their clients. 10. Freelance video editor for YouTube channels. Numerous small businesses struggle with producing subpar YouTube or social media videos, either due to lack of expertise or prolonged editing times despite the availability of automated tools. Numerous small businesses struggle with producing subpar YouTube or social media videos, either due to lack of expertise or prolonged editing times despite the availability of automated tools. The proposed solution for generating income involves providing video editing services as a standard editor. The objective is to transform raw footage from an iPhone into a polished, concise video. Business owners only need to capture the raw footage. The rest of the editing process is entrusted to the editor to deliver a visually stunning and timely end product.